We understand that artificial intelligence is not just a promise, but a reality.
Welcome to the Banker's Masterclass series in association with CaixaBank on best practices in digitalization. We're filming on location in Barcelona at CaixaBank's headquarters. I'm Joy McKnight, Deputy and Technology Editor of The Banker, and I'm joined by Pere Nebot, who's Chief Information Officer at CaixaBank, to explore the technologies and how they're having an impact on banks and how banks can really adapt to the speed of change that's happening. Pere, thanks so much for joining us. So that's my first question really, is how can banks best adapt to this real, a speed up in technological change?
So in CaixaBank, we are always trying to see how to improve the experience of our customers. And it's in that field where the new technologies could add value. I'm an IT guy, and I will be delighted to play with all the new technologies that appear in the market. But that wouldn't add value to our company. So our process is made in 4 big steps. First, analyzing all the big technologies that appear on the market. Second, see which of that technologies is going to add value to our company. Third, starting a proof of concept to see if the technology is mature enough to incorporate into our systems. And fourth, once we see all of the rest is okay, we go for it.
Okay, and just, what kind of technologies are really making the biggest impact on banking today, do you think?
Definitely artificial intelligence, or as it's called today, cognitive computing. We are fighting for the customer, so we are trying always to deliver the best experience to them. So we understand that artificial intelligence is not just a promise, but a reality. And we are trying to use cognitive computing in 3 main areas. First, delivering better experience to our customer. Second, is boosting the productivity of our employees. And third, increasing the efficiency of our back office and call centers. We have designed our own cognitive architecture. It's based on the main vendors of solutions like IBM's Watson or other skills that we have acquired from small companies, even from the universities. Here in Spain, we have big universities with extremely good research centers. They are doing amazing job.
Okay, and how can banks really develop sort of a best practices when it comes to integrating new technology into their technology stack?
There are a lot of new technologies that have appeared in the market in the recent years. Not only AI, we can talk about blockchain, we can talk about robotics, we can talk about IoT, 5G, even quantum computing. So it's impossible for a single company to understand how these technologies work deeply. So we have to rely on partners. They are constantly in the market, they know the technology better than us, so we have to rely on them. But there is a specific skill that has to remain always in your company, and is knowing how that technology could be adapted to your business and could add definitely value to your customer.
Okay, and there's a big move right now towards open banking, through the Payment Services Directive 2, and using open APIs, application programming interfaces. What kind of impact is that going to have on the bank?
I've been working in technology last decade, and open banking concept is not new. So the way of integrating different systems is something that we are doing since last maybe 10 or 15 years. But one thing is true, the open banking today creates a new greenfield, plenty of opportunities, because we can publish our services and then the crowd, the developers community, could create services for our customers. And it's here when we can leverage the power of the crowd. So they will be able to create services to be used for our customer, and that's the objective.
Okay, my last question is really around, a lot of banks are struggling to really trying to attract the tech talent that they need. How is CaixaBank doing that, and what does that talent look like today?
Attracting talent is not easy. but it goes hand in hand with attracting the customer. You cannot deliver the best services to our customers if you don't have the best engineers. So we work directly with big vendors. We work directly with the universities also. And we offer innovative projects to attract that talent. There is a specific key point in order to retain that talent, and it's the team. Once that engineers enter in a very skilled team of professionals, they want to remain in them. And there is also an important thing about our company, about CaixaBank, and it's our vision. We always are trying to deliver the best solution for our customers, hence creating a better world and a better responsible society. This is a very attractive aim.
Excellent. Thank you so much for your insights, Pere.
A pleasure. Thank you very much.